Lakers Nation, stop scrolling because what we're about to discuss could completely change the direction of the Los Angeles Lakers this offseason. A few surprising developments have surfaced, and they could force Rob Pelinka to rethink the team's entire strategy around Luka Dončić. From a potential new wing target to the latest Jonathan Kuminga situation and even a shocking trade idea involving Bronny James, there are a lot of moving pieces happening behind the scenes. Welcome to NBA Trade Radar, the channel where we bring you the latest NBA rumors, trade talks, free agency updates, and every major move that could reshape the league. Today, we're breaking down everything happening with the Lakers, the players they are targeting, the decisions Rob Pelinka has to make, and why one unexpected name could become a serious option for Los Angeles. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to NBA Trade Radar, and turn on notifications because if you want to stay ahead of the latest NBA rumors, this is the place to be. Now, let's get right into the Lakers' latest offseason situation. While most Lakers fans have been focused on Jonathan Kuminga as the team's potential next major addition, a surprising moment during the Las Vegas Summer League has created a new wave of speculation. A simple conversation and a friendly hug between Denver Nuggets forward Payton Watson and Lakers general manager Rob Pelinka caught the attention of NBA fans online. The image immediately created questions. Why were the Lakers front office and a young Nuggets player having such a noticeable interaction? Could there be something happening behind the scenes? Of course, one moment does not automatically mean a trade is coming. Rob Pelinka has relationships throughout the NBA, and Watson also has connections to Los Angeles after playing college basketball at UCLA. But the timing has made fans curious. Peyton Watson is an interesting name because of his current situation. As a restricted free agent, another team can make him an offer, but Denver has the ability to match and keep him. That means a direct signing would be difficult. However, a sign-and-trade could create another path. In that scenario, Denver could re-sign Watson and then send him to Los Angeles in exchange for assets. It would require negotiations, but it is a possible route. And from a basketball perspective, Watson fits the Lakers' new direction. He is young, athletic, versatile, and one of the better defensive prospects in the league. His ability to guard multiple positions, create energy, and run the floor would match the style the Lakers are trying to build around Luka Dončić. Right now, nobody knows exactly what Pelinka and Watson discussed. It could have been nothing more than a friendly conversation. But NBA history has shown that sometimes small interactions become the beginning of major moves. Meanwhile, reports suggest Luka Dončić is happy with the direction the Lakers are taking. The franchise has clearly entered a new era, with Luka becoming the centerpiece of the future after the LeBron James chapter begins to close. According to reports, Luka has been impressed with the moves made by the front office and is excited about the new roster. The Lakers have already made several important changes. Austin Reeves received a new contract. Walker Kessler was added through a trade. Colin Sexton joined the team, and veteran big man Kevon Looney also became part of the rotation. But the off-season work is not finished. The Lakers still have roster decisions to make, and their final moves could determine whether they become a true championship contender. That brings the conversation back to Jonathan Kuminga. The Lakers have shown interest in Kuminga, with reports suggesting they could offer a deal around $20 million over 2 seasons. However, the situation is complicated. Kuminga reportedly wants a larger financial commitment, and a sign-and-trade could become necessary. The Atlanta Hawks have also entered the picture and could provide competition for Los Angeles. The problem? The asking price may be too expensive. If the Lakers have to sacrifice valuable draft assets and take on a large contract, many believe the move may not be worth it. That is why alternative options like Peyton Watson are becoming more interesting. Another name mentioned around Luka Dončić is PJ Washington, his former teammate in Dallas. But Washington's contract situation makes him a difficult target because of the long-term money involved. For the Lakers, flexibility is extremely important. Focusing too much on one player could cause them to miss other opportunities in a shrinking off-season market. But the biggest discussion might involve a surprising trade idea featuring Bronny James. With LeBron James moving closer to the next chapter of his career, questions about Bronny's future with the Lakers have started to appear. Bronny still has a guaranteed contract, but he has not yet established himself as a consistent NBA rotation player. That has led to speculation about whether a fresh start could benefit everyone. One proposed trade would send Bronny James, Delano Banton, and a future first-round pick to the Oklahoma City Thunder. In return, the Lakers would receive young guard Peyton Watson. The idea is simple. Watson is only 22 years old and has already shown his value on a championship-level Thunder team. His defense, toughness, and ability to contribute immediately would give the Lakers another young piece around Luka Dončić. For Oklahoma City, the trade would provide additional young talent and another valuable draft asset. For Bronny, a new environment could allow him to develop away from the constant pressure that comes with being LeBron James' son. Of course, this is only a trade proposal, not a confirmed deal. But moves like this often happen when franchises transition into a new era. The Lakers appear determined to build a younger, deeper roster that can compete for championships around Luka Dončić. Now, Lakers fans, I want to hear from you. Would you rather see the Lakers pursue Payton Watson or continue pushing for Jonathan Kuminga? Do you think Kuminga is worth the price it would take to acquire him? And would you consider trading Bronny James for a young defender like Peyton Watson? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I want to hear what Lakers Nation thinks. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to NBA, Trade, Radar, and turn on notifications. We bring you the latest NBA trade rumors, free agency news, and breaking updates before everyone else.